Mm. Mm. Masarap po itong freezer. Nagiging ice cream siya.
Uy,
Wow! Suway Mag! Itutuloy na po natin ang pagbalat dahil meron po kaming ginawa kanina. Let's see daddy if it's hinog na. Napakahirap pong magbukas ng durian kapag hindi ka expert. Oh. Ayan, super hinog na po siya. Ripe lao, no? At mabango na. Ayan, so may mga natira po sa shell niya. Sayang, kunin natin. Ang creamy. Wow, นี่สวยมากชอบไหมครับไหนว้าวเก่งมากว้าว So ito na po yung nakuha natin lahat sa dalawang durian. Yan po yung balat niya, napakarami. Ayan, so kasama po namin ang aming panganay na anak dahil hindi na makapaghintay because durian is her favorite. Let's eat. Try natin kung mas masarap ang ating durian ngayon.
Wow.
Ah, daddy. Ay, super.
พ่อชอบอันเน่า
Gusto po ng aking asawa yung
Ni, po siya, ano?
durog na, super overripe.
ๆนี่โอ้โหชอบเน่า
How's it? Masarap.
ๆมันต้องเล่นมันต้องติด
Yung mga una pong naming binuksan, the first batch we open, nung nandito pa yung aming mga tito at tita, na natikman nila, super dilim na kasi noon kaya hindi po namin na kuhanan kung ano yung reaction nila. Pero sobrang nagustuhan po nila ang durian ng Thailand, kakaiba daw sa atin dahil bukod sa napakasarap matamis ay hindi gaanong maamoy, yung masangsang na amoy ng durian. Hindi siya ganun kahirap kainin. Yummy, no? Mas
ยิ่ง
mahirap.
เละยิ่งอร่อย
Yan, mas mahirap lang kainin dahil makalat. This one is good for frozen. Masarap po itong freezer, nagiging ice cream siya, no? You want to try that, the ice cream texture? Hindi nakakasawa.
นี่แหละ the best best for me
Yeah, for me too. Yesterday, how many durian you eat? Sami. Nakatatlo daw po siya na malalaking buto kahapon.
ฝากวางไว้ เอาอีกเอาเน่าๆเหมือนเดิม
Gusto niya yung super overripe.
นี่ไงแบบ
ว้าว
เน่าอู้
Parang ice cream. Pati po yung cousin ko na galing Korea na first time matikman ng husband niyang Korean, sobrang nagustuhan po nila ang durian. I want the overripe too. Ayan, so masama po ba kapag nasobrahan ang durian? Is it bad if we eat too much durian? La, laki. Is it bad
no problem นะ
if we don't have karamdaman? If we don't have health issues, siguro okay lang naman pag paminsan-minsan. Grabe. Ang sarap.
you said if have health issue ก็ you can eat 1 or 2 seed
Per
per meal
meal. Ah,
or per day
so normal lang pala yung dalawang buto per day kapag may mga health issues. But no one can eat durian every day dahil ang mahal. It's so expensive. Expensive now dahil expensive po ngayon dahil hindi season. Wala din ah.
I like
Mm.
really. The full smell of durian will come out.
Yeah. Habang tumatagal, habang humihinog, lalong bumabang. No? Mm.
วิธีกินเงียบเลยอ่ะ พูดไม่จาเลย
Tahimik siya dahil ang
พูด
sarap.
เนิน
You want to say something to Kaumami?
หนูว่าจะพูดอะไร
Nahihiya po siya. Sabi kanina, you want to join.
cause if talking จะได้กินน้อยๆใช่ไหม
Mm.
โอ้ยนี่ตัวเล็กเนี่ย
Daddy,
ฮะ
you eat too much already.
ไม่เป็นไร
Mm.
โอเค
Tig dalawa lang, Daddy. Mm. This one is last for me. Mm. Grabe. Mm. 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 Ano lasa na? May limit.
รัดหรือยัง
Plano po namin ilagay sa
Yan.
freezer yung
Yan.
natira. I'm planning to put in the freezer. Let's try tomorrow if masarap. Masarap po siya kapag ginawang frozen, nagiging ice cream. Hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng creamer. Ayan.
tomorrow beauty will wake early
Unahan sa paggising bukas. So, ayun lang mga kaumami. Paborito niyo rin ba ang durian? Do you also love durian? At alam ko marami sa atin don't like the smell of durian. Pero kung durian po ng Thailand, I'm sure you can try dahil hindi po siya ganun kaamoy or kabaho. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Paki-share po ang video kung nagustuhan.
Bye.
Bye!